Hi guys, I'm Prathiksha. Welcome to my channel. I'm very excited today because I have my friend here. Hi guys, I'm Jennifer. Together we're gonna make slime. So let's get started. Today we are going to be making slime with Fairy. I'm gonna try making the galaxy slime. I'm going to be trying to make the ice cream popsicle slime. Now let's open the pack and see what's inside. Open sesame. Items in the box are instruction manual, fairy gum, glitter and slime activator. From the house you might need 2 medium jar, a stirrer and a sealed container to store the slime. From my box I got an instruction manual, 2 bottles of glue, ice cream sticks, slime activator and sequins for my slime. You will also need 2 medium-sized bowls, a spoon or stirrer and a sealed container to keep the slime. I am going to pour 1 bottle of glue into the jar. I am going to pour 2 bottles of glue into the jar. I got blue. I got yellow. Wow, it's like clear blue glue. Oh my god! It smells amazing. Wait, what? I'm not even gonna try it. I'm not even going to try it. Oh, the glue smells amazing. You can smell it if you want. I think I'm gonna make a blue clear slime. I finished. Oh, 1 second, I just want to make all of it come. I got all of it out, I think so. I don't have much. That's it for me. Yep, I'm done. The glue looks so cool. Whoa. The sound is like farting. Yep, done. Now we pour the water into the empty glue bottle and shook it nicely. Now let's pour it into the bowl. Oh no, the water is gone. Okay, what's next? Another time. Now stir well. I have made another mixture using blue glue. Mixture. Into a bowl, add 3 pinches of slime activator powder and add 3 spoons of warm water and mix well. Drop by drop for the cheek. Drop by drop pour the activator mixture into the bowl. Drop by drop pour the activator solution into so cool. This one. Mixing. Looks so clear. I'm gonna do it with my hands. I think my slime is formed. Mine too. Let's put it down. Oh my god! Oh. I'm gonna add sequins. I'm gonna add glitter. Okay. This is my glitter pack. Let's put some. Oh, too much glitter. Okay, a little bit. Wow, it looks amazing. Okay, I think this is enough. Yep. Time to mix. Looks so good. I'm gonna add glitter craze. Don't put too much. Oh no. You put too much? Yes. I think this is it. Do you want some glitter? Okay, time for yellow. Wow, it looks so amazing. Oh, come out. Hey, that's mine. You've got glitter. This looks more pretty on it. Yeah. Okay, so I think I should. Look, the glitter. Oh my god! I think I put too much. It's okay. I'm done. This is my ice cream. What flavor do you want? I want blueberry, please. Here, take the blueberry ice cream. I will eat the mango ice cream. It smells so good. Oh no! Do you want any Milky Way galaxy themed slime? Whoa, that's so cool! Yum! I have ice cream for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I have Milky Way galaxy in my hand itself. Guys, we can't stop playing with this slime. Yes, it's so soft. Hope you liked our video. Make sure to subscribe, share and like the video. Thanks for watching and bye!